Tired of document chaos? Let's tame it with Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, you'll see the homepage. Look for the New button, usually located at the top left, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload to send a document directly from your computer. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your files. Choose the document you want to send. This could be a PDF, Word document, or other supported file type. And click Open. Your document will now upload to Docusign. Now, add your recipients. Click the Add Recipient button. Enter their name and email address in the designated fields. You can add multiple recipients. If needed, specify the signing order if it matters. It's time to add your signature and other required fields. Drag and drop the necessary fields, like signature, date, and initial boxes, onto the document where you need them. Place them precisely where you want recipients to interact with the document. Once you're satisfied with the placement and all the fields are added, click the Send button. Docusign will then email the document to your recipients for signing. Want to save time? Try using templates. If you frequently send the same type of document, create a template. This allows you to predefine the fields and recipients, saving you time and effort each time. And that's it. Docusign offers a secure and efficient way to send documents for signature, streamlining your workflow. Check out the description for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.